If your investment portfolio were a dinner party, U.S. stocks are the guy in the bazaar pouring wine, talking about interest rates. Bonds are over in the corner, calm, predictable, eating crackers. And emerging market stocks, they're the guest who showed up late, brought something spicy, and might set the table on fire, but also might be the most interesting person there. Let me explain. Emerging market stocks are shares of companies based in countries that are still developing economically. Places like Brazil, India, Vietnam, South Africa, Indonesia. These countries are often growing faster than developed nations with expanding middle classes, booming tech sectors, and an appetite for capitalism that makes Wall Street look sleepy. So why would you invest in these? Number one, growth potential. These economies often grow at 2 to 3x the rate of developed nations. Number two, diversification. U.S. stocks are great, but they're not the whole world. Spreading your investments globally actually reduces your risk. Number three, different cycles. While U.S. markets might be cooling off, emerging markets might be heating up. They don't always move in sync. Also, currency exposure. A little international flavor could act as a hedge against the dollar. Now let's be clear. Emerging markets are not the safe, slow, steady part of your portfolio. They can be pretty volatile. Political instability, inflation, and regulation are real risks. But that's also what makes them powerful when used in moderation. Think of them kind of like hot sauce. Just a few little dashes can enhance the entire meal. Pour on the whole bottle, and, well, you might be calling the doctor. For many of our clients, we allocate somewhere between maybe 5 to 10% at most of their stock exposure to emerging markets. It gives them a nice little growth kicker without overwhelming the more stable parts of the plan. So if you want to find out how the right global mix could work for you, let's have a chat. Simply schedule a strategy call. You can visit me at talktopatrick.com. You'll find my calendar there. Also, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Retirement Lifestyles. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook so that you don't miss out on any of these retirement planning tips. I'll see you soon.